Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we take a deep dive into the products that promise to make us feel like the best version of ourselves. Today, let's explore a product that promises to tackle a common beauty challenge, frizz. The dalla Palma Detangling Anti-Frizz Potion is a hair treatment designed to smooth, moisturize, and rebuild even the most damaged hair. If you're struggling with frizz, breakage, or just need that perfect glossy shine, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. But is it all it promises? Keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more honest reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this anti-frizz potion stand out. It comes in a sleek 5.1 ounce bottle, easy to apply, and packed with the power of dragon fruit, known for its high antioxidant content. This is a product formulated to repair and strengthen hair while giving it that sought-after softness and smoothness. It promises to moisturize deeply, tame frizz, and prevent breakage, improving the overall structure of your hair. The luxurious touch of high-gloss shine from root to tip is definitely one of its selling points. From my experience, applying this potion is a breeze. It has a lightweight consistency that doesn't weigh down your hair, which is crucial when you're trying to combat frizz without losing volume. I tried it after towel drying my hair, and I noticed a distinct difference even before I started blow drying. My hair felt softer and more manageable. As I worked it through the ends, I could feel the moisture being locked in without any greasy residue. After blow drying, my hair had a smooth, frizz-free texture with a healthy, glossy finish. What I appreciated most was how well it worked during a busy, humid day. Despite the elements, my hair stayed shiny and frizz-free well into the evening, which is not always the case with similar treatments I've tried. But of course, no product is perfect. While the potion delivers on its anti-frizz promise, I did notice that the smoothing effect wasn't as pronounced on my hair when I didn't blow dry. It might be better for those who love to style their hair with heat. If you're someone who prefers to air dry, the results might not be as striking, though still quite moisturizing. The fragrance is pleasant, but for those sensitive to scents, it might feel a bit strong. Now, let's talk about the value for money. The dalla Palma brand is known for its professional quality, and this product lives up to that reputation. At its price point, it's certainly a luxury treatment, but the performance makes it feel worth the investment. It's definitely a product I would recommend for those who are looking for long-lasting frizz control and hair hydration, especially if you have thicker or more unruly hair. That being said, if you're on a tight budget, there are other treatments that might offer more affordable options with similar results. In comparison to other anti-frizz treatments, I'd say it stands out for its ability to create that glossy, smooth finish. A lot of similar products just don't offer the same level of hydration and anti-breakage benefits, making this one a solid choice in its category. The high-quality formulation and the fact that it's made in Italy further add to its appeal. As for the build quality, the bottle is sleek and the product dispenses easily, so no complaints there. It's sturdy and does a great job of keeping the product fresh. With regular use, I expect this bottle to last a good amount of time, which adds to the overall value. I didn't experience any issues with the product's longevity or shelf life. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments below. Now, I didn't have any personal experience with dalla Palma's customer support, but based on their reputation, they're known for being responsive and taking care of their customers. If you're looking for a similar product but want something at a lower price point, you might want to check out the OGX Anti-Frizz Hydrating Oil or Moroccan Oil treatment. Both are great alternatives that won't break the bank, but still provide that smooth, glossy finish. To wrap it up, the dalla Palma Detangling Anti-Frizz Potion delivers on its promises of smooth, moisturized hair with a glossy finish. It's an excellent choice for those struggling with frizz and damage, and while it's a bit of a splurge, its quality makes it worth considering if you want to invest in your hair care routine. It's perfect for anyone who styles their hair regularly and needs that extra boost of hydration and shine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.